All right, so I'm going to show you how to update your iPhone to iOS 18.2. It works the same for an iPad, works the same for any iPhone that is supported for iOS 18. You should be able to get iOS 18.2. The process is simple. First, make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi. Fast, consistent Wi-Fi is best. You also want to make sure you have enough space on your phone. You can go to Settings, go to General, and then go to your iPhone storage and see how much space you have available there. I believe the update is like 2 GB, could be a little bit more, but just make sure you have some space for this update. Plug it up to a charger if you're low on battery. I believe you need at least 20% or more to run this update. Also, back up your information. Most likely nothing will happen during the update, but just in case the update fails or something bad happens, back up your information so you don't lose your photos, because it's better to be safe than sorry. Once you're all set up and ready to update, you're going to tap on Settings here and you're going to tap General, and then you're going to go to Software Update. Now, you should see an update appear here. If it doesn't, try restarting your iPhone or let me know in the comments and I'll try to help you out. At this point, you can read through this information, tap Learn More, or tap Update Now. So we'll tap on Update Now, put in your password. Now it's going to start to prepare the update and initialize and run the download of the update. During this time, you can use your phone and do other things because it might take long. As you can see here, I'm speeding it up, but for me, it took a very long time. I don't know what was going on with my Wi-Fi, but it took a long time to download this update. All right, so we'll tap install on the prompt and it'll start to verify the update. You'll notice your iPhone turns on, off, and it'll do this a few times. You don't want to touch your iPhone. You want to let it do its thing. Don't unplug it if you have it plugged to a charger. Don't power it down. Don't play with it. Just let it run the installation process. I'm going to speed this up as I always do. If you run into any issues during this process, let me know in the comments. I'll do my best to help you out, and I'll return when the update is complete. And there it is. The update has completed its install. You can then just swipe up, enter your password or Face ID, and go through a few questions here. Tap Continue. And you'll be prompted with Apple Intelligence if you have an iPhone 15 Pro or iPhone 16. And this is what you want to do here. You can set up your Apple Intelligence right here. So we'll tap Setup Now, and it'll allow you to use those features. And that's the big thing with this update. Swipe up. Your iPhone is now updated to iOS 18.2. Give it a quick check here. You can see we've got some new options. They look a little different here, but also go to General, Software Update 18.2, and you'll be able to use the full capacity of Apple Intelligence right here. And you can see it's downloading it as I set it up. So now I'm going to be showing you how to use Apple Intelligence with your iPhone, all the features. I'm going to break them down. If you're a beginner, this is going to be great for you because this is a huge feature built into these iPhones now. And this is the beginning of a new era of iPhone with Apple Intelligence. If you have any questions or had any trouble with the installation of iOS 18.2, let me know in the comments. I'm happy to help you out. And also subscribe to the channel and click the bell notification box to be notified when I post all these Apple Intelligence and iPhone tips and tricks videos. That's what this channel is all about. I know a lot of people have been asking me to start posting them. I had issues because I was in the beta. It still says beta up there, but I was in the beta version and it was not working. But now that we got the full version available to us, the tutorial videos are going to begin. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next one.